Hello everyone! Welcome to Tarano Speak English. This channel helps you learn English speaking for beginners in a simple and easy way. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't be shy. Just relax and speak step by step. In today's lesson, Travel English EP2 at the hotel. You will learn 13 common situations for speaking English at a hotel while traveling. You will practice real-life conversations at an American hotel. These role plays are easy, useful, and perfect for travelers. Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence. Remember, the more you speak, the better you become. Let's start and enjoy learning together. Situation 1, checking in.
Hi, I have a reservation.
Welcome. What's your name, please?
My name is Mark Lee.
Let me check. Yes, I see your booking.
Great.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. You're staying for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Would you like 1 key or 2?
2, please.
No problem.
What time is breakfast?
From 6:30 to 10 a.m.
Perfect.
Here are your keys. Room 512.
Thank you.
The elevator is on your left.
Thanks for your help.
Enjoy your stay.
Situation 2, asking about room details.
Excuse me, what's the Wi-Fi password?
It's written on your key card holder.
Oh, I see it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is.
Where's the restaurant?
It's on the first floor.
Do you have a gym?
Yes, it's open 24 hours.
That's great.
The pool is on the rooftop.
Nice. What time does it close?
It closes at 9 p.m.
Do you offer laundry service?
Yes, we do.
How long does it take?
Usually 1 day.
Thank you for the information.
My pleasure.
Situation 3, requesting a room change.
Hi, I have a small problem.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong?
My room is a little noisy.
I'm sorry about that.
Is it possible to change rooms?
Let me check availability.
Thank you.
Yes, we have a quieter room.
That's great.
It's on a higher floor.
Perfect.
Would you like help with your bags?
Yes, please.
No problem.
Thank you for your help.
We want you to be comfortable.
I appreciate it.
Here is your new key.
Thanks again.
Enjoy your new room.
Situation 4, reporting a problem.
Hello, I need some help.
Of course. What's the problem?
The air conditioner is not working.
I'm sorry about that.
It's very warm in the room.
I understand.
Can someone fix it?
Yes, I'll send maintenance.
Thank you.
They will come in 10 minutes.
That's fast.
We try our best.
Also, there's no hot water.
I'm sorry. We will check that too.
I appreciate it.
Thank you for telling us.
No problem.
Please call us if you need anything else.
I will. Thanks.
Situation 5, talking to the technician, fixing the air conditioner.
Hello, are you here to check the air conditioner?
Yes, I am. I'm here to fix it.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome. What seems to be the problem?
It's not cool. The air is warm.
I see. When did it start?
About 1 hour ago.
Okay, let me take a look.
Sure.
I will check the temperature setting first.
All right.
It's set too high. I will lower it.
Oh, I didn't notice that.
No problem. It happens.
Will it be cool soon?
Yes, please wait a few minutes.
Okay.
It should feel cooler now.
Yes, it's better. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please call us if you need anything else.
Situation 6, Ordering room service.
Hi, I'd like to order food.
Sure. What would you like?
Can I have a cheeseburger
Of course.
and a bottle of water?
Anything else?
That's all.
What's your room number?
Room 512.
It will arrive in 30 minutes.
Great.
Would you like to pay now or charge to your room?
Charge to my room, please.
No problem.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Will.
Have a nice evening.
You too.
Situation 7. Room cleaning.
Excuse me, can you clean my room?
Yes, of course.
What time will you clean it?
Around 2 p.m.
That's fine.
Will you be out at that time?
Yes, I'll go out.
Great.
Can you change the towels, please?
Yes, I will, and
And please refill the water bottles.
no problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How long will it take?
About 30 minutes.
Okay,
Your room will be fresh and clean.
that's wonderful.
Have a nice day.
Situation 8. Asking for extra items.
Hello, can I get extra towels?
Of course. How many?
2, please.
No problem.
Can I also get another pillow?
Sure.
Thank you.
We will send them soon.
How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
That's fine.
Anything else?
Maybe one more blanket.
Certainly.
I'm always cold.
We'll keep you warm.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
Happy to help.
Situation 9. Booking hotel services.
Hi, I'd like to book a spa appointment.
Sure. What time works for you?
Is 3 p.m. available?
Let me check.
Thank you.
Yes, 3 p.m. is free.
Great.
It's a 1-hour massage.
Sounds perfect.
The price is $60.
That's fine.
Would you like to charge it to your room?
Yes, please.
Done.
Where is the spa?
It's on the 2nd floor.
Thank you.
Enjoy and relax.
I will.
Have a great day.
Situation 10. At the breakfast room.
Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to breakfast.
What time does breakfast end?
At 10 a.m.
Great. I'm on time.
Yes, you are.
Is breakfast included in my room?
May I see your room number?
Room 512.
Yes, breakfast is included.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where can I get coffee?
The coffee machine is over there.
Do you have eggs?
Yes, we have scrambled eggs.
Perfect. I'm very hungry.
That's good. Please enjoy.
Thank you. Everything looks delicious.
Have a nice breakfast.
Situation 11. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, is there a good restaurant nearby?
Yes, there's one across the street.
What kind of food do they have?
American and Italian food.
Sounds good.
It's very popular.
How do I get there?
Walk straight and turn right.
Is it far?
Just 5 minutes.
Perfect.
There's also a coffee shop next door.
I love coffee.
Then you'll be happy here.
Thank you for the tips.
You're welcome.
Is there a bus stop nearby?
Yes, in front of the hotel.
Great.
Enjoy exploring.
Situation 12. Extending your stay.
Hi, I'd like to stay one more night.
Let me check availability.
Thank you.
Yes, your room is available.
That's great news.
The rate is the same as before.
Perfect.
Would you like to keep the same room?
Yes, please.
No problem.
Do I need to change my key?
Yes, I'll update it.
Thank you.
Here you are.
Thanks for your help.
We're happy you're staying longer.
Me too. I like this hotel.
That's nice to hear.
Thanks again.
Enjoy your extra night.
Situation 13, checking out.
Hi, I'd like to check out.
Sure. What's your room number?
Room 512.
One moment, please.
Okay,
Here is your bill.
can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Great.
Please insert your card.
Done.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, very much.
We're happy to hear that.
The staff was very friendly.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Safe travels.
Great job today. You did amazing. Keep practicing every day. Even 5 to 10 minutes helps a lot. Speaking English is like exercise. Practice makes you stronger. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Your support helps this channel grow. Stay confident, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next video at Tarano Speak English.